Hello, you guys. Thank you for tuning in again. I am back with another video. We are making an omelet taco today. You know, when you have taco night and you have that extra ground beef left over, or ground turkey, or chicken. I'm out of breath, y'all. I ain't even gonna lie. I just ran up the stairs to get away from my son to do this voiceover. One second. Okay. I'm just buttering the pot anyway. It's getting hot. It's sizzling. We getting this joint ready. I'm about to start whisking them eggs. They coming eventually. I think I'm still playing with the butter. You know, it's melting. There go the eggs. All right. Bubbling. Got that at 6 on the eye. That might be a little high for some, but I like to get my food done in a timely manner. And I don't like to wait to eat. And I like to eat my food hot. I'm one of those hot. It's so good. Hot. Yeah, that's me. I'm not blowing and cooling off. I'm just letting the steam out my mouth. I'm a true eat it while it's hot, eating it hot out the pot, grabbing hot stuff. That's just what I do. I'm not an omelet maker, guys. Let's stay back on track. But as you can see, I'm trying to figure it out. And I'm glad I didn't do such a poor job at making this omelet, because I really don't know how to make omelets. I be trying. They be turning into egg scrambles by the time I get to flipping and dipping it and doing it. So, you know, as you can see, we're trying to get all that runniness to get to the bottom so it can cook, because I don't like no yolky scrambled eggs. I like over easy, but not yolky scramble. Okay? Now we're going to add the ground beef. I got ground beef on mine. Spreading the ground beef. Just spreading that through the pan, you know, evenly getting it on there. That's my seasoning for my egg, because that meat already has its own seasoning, so I don't like to do too much to the egg and to have it very salty. I'm more of a pepper person. So now we should be going to the cheese. There we go. Boom, we got cheese. And this cheese that I'm using is a Mexican blend taco seasoning cheese. So there we go. Once again, we got more seasoning. And this is making me hungry, y'all, for real. We got the olives. It's a couple little olives on there. And a couple little raw onions. Just a couple. Onions are good for you, cooked or raw. I would have sauteed them if I was thinking, but like I said, this is leftover stuff, so I just was kind of grabbing out the trays and putting it on my omelet. As you can see, she's not looking so good. I told you. I'm a beginner. I'm not a chef. I'm not good with omelets. We're going to see if we can get this bad boy to stay together. You feel me? Can we just get it not to turn into a scramble? We'll see. Will I get it to stay like this, even though that side's messed up? We don't know what the other side look like. Just wait. I'm starting to think now. You guys. Look. Had to go get 2 spatulas, because I knew if I did one, obviously it's going to cut in half. Do I think like this every time? No. I'd be like, oh, let me tilt it and try to flip it. Yeah, that'd be working too sometimes, but you need 2. Boom. Boom. See that? Voila. We got it together. It might not be perfect, I might not have the right pan, the right utensils. But that is my omelet, and I'm sticking beside it. Okay? Don't come for my omelet because it is good. We sprinkling in some more cheese on that bad boy because anybody know me, they know I like cheese. Beads is jangling and all that. I like the cheese. Yeah. Cheese me. And I'm lactose, so you know that don't mix, but I'm going to have my cheese. And then we're going to top it off with some lettuce. And this was actually like the first time I put lettuce on my omelet. Like I said, I had all the little condiments already, so I was feeling myself. Let me just add a little. Let me just keep adding. You know, I was like, tomatoes instead of the salsa. I should have did the salsa. And this is the final product. Thank you guys again for watching and coming and spending time with me.